days of warm and sunny weather. It's all coming to an end. Hello, everyone. I'm meteorologist Ashley DiMartino. We are tracking those Christmas storms that are going to be rolling through our state, and we are going to bring chance of rain for the valley, about anywhere from a quarter of an inch to a half an inch of rain, snow at the higher elevations, and of course, we've got a big drop in temperatures with these systems coming through. So the first one really kind of makes its way in as we head into our Friday. So it is going to be a wet and a little bit of a snowy Christmas Eve and Christmas. That system rolls out on our Saturday. The next one begins to drop in, brings in more rain and snow on Saturday night and into our Sunday. So here's what it kind of looks like. Again, that thick cloud cover on your Thursday, the showers coming in from the northwest, spreading to the southeast throughout the day, and we'll continue with those showers through Friday night. Little bit of a break heading into the start of the day on Saturday, but they'll still be light and scattered across the state. When it comes to temperatures overnight, you'll notice they're definitely warmer than they have been. We're still going to keep them in the valley in those low to the mid 50s for overnights around our state. We're going to see 48 for Bullhead City, 41 for Prescott, 47 for Globe, 55 in Phoenix, and 27 in Flagstaff. Afternoon temperatures stay warm on Thursday. We're going to keep them in the low to the mid 70s. That puts us about 10 degrees above where we should be for this time of year. Few spots, though, will only make it into the upper 60s. We're going to see 71 for Bullhead City tomorrow, 56 for Prescott, 66 for Globe, 47 for Flagstaff, and 50 for you in Payson. So our 7-day forecast will drop temperatures into the mid 60s on our Friday. Again, off and on showers throughout your Christmas Eve, lingering into Christmas morning. Chance for more showers on our Sunday and a big drop in those temperatures. Rest of the week from Sunday all the way through next Wednesday, we will be in the low 60s to the upper 50s. When it comes to Flagstaff, here you go. Timing of the snow for you is really going to be Friday night into Saturday morning with a couple of inches, and then more expected as we head in Saturday night into Sunday. Your temperatures will go from those 40s to the upper 30s, then the lower 30s as we head into our Sunday, Monday, and well into next week. Your overnights will finally drop into the teens starting on Monday morning.